At Temba, we feel like there are two hard rules about camera batteries and memory cards. One, you should really know where they are at all times. And two, you should be able to put them wherever it's most convenient for you to get one when you need it. The Temba Reload wallets provide quick access storage to CF, SD, and micro SD cards. What makes them so quick? First, the CF and SD card wallets have unique angled pockets, so the cards are easy to grab. And second, the loop on the back lets you attach it to your belt, the harness of a backpack, the side of a shoulder bag, or any military standard MOLLE strap like we have on our Axis backpacks. The wallets come in three sizes. The SD9 fits 9 SD cards, the SD6 CF6 fits 6 of each of those cards, and the third size is the Universal, which has zippered pockets that fit any size cards in each of the pockets, and you can sort them into the yellow zipper pocket when they're empty and the red zipper pocket when they're full. The card wallets include security tethers with durable metal clips to attach to D-rings on your bag, and they have a clear pocket on the back for business cards. You can't shoot a job without memory cards, so keep them safe and keep them close with the Temba Reload wallets.